Gusty northwesterly winds on your Sunday over 35 miles an hour. Today over 25 miles an hour out of that same northwesterly direction. You will notice some scattered flurries and snow showers moving northwest to southeast across the state this morning, which will lend itself to a fairly changeable sky this morning. And then I suspect for the southern half of the state, we will see mostly sunny skies into the afternoon with still a few lingering snow showers in northern and far western sections of the state. From there, cooler, drier air continues to filter in, allowing temperatures to drop back into the teens and 20s later on tonight, after highs today ranging between 26 in Pittsburgh to 38 in Nashua, Salem, all the way out to the coast. And again, with the wind, it's going to feel a lot cooler than that through the afternoon. You can see that back and forth changeable sky this morning, going to mostly sunny skies in the southern half of the state for the afternoon, while farther north, occasional snow showers will continue before withering away later on this evening. Teens and 20s overnight tonight, and that will be with partly cloudy skies and a mostly sunny sky and a southwesterly wind on your Tuesday, pushing temperatures from the upper 40s in the North Country to mid 50s in southern spots. It will still be fairly mild and in the 40s for your busy travel day on Wednesday, but we're going to watch a front approach as well as some moisture located well offshore trying to connect for a couple of rain showers. Nothing that is really going to slow down the busy travel day across the area. And then we turn a little bit chillier for Thanksgiving itself. Some sunshine and brisk today, a couple of gusts over 30 miles an hour with the snow showers just about anywhere early this morning, and then mainly confined to the North Country later this afternoon before ending. Milder day for us tomorrow, a couple of rain showers a possibility Wednesday. Notice the chill in the air for Thanksgiving Day, but it will be with sunshine. Looks storm free through the weekend, although we can't rule out a few showers over the weekend itself.